Hi guys, so today I am going to install this Oasis 360 mailbox. Right now I have this old style mailbox one way. The thing is, a lot of mail have been getting stolen, so we are gonna change it and use the one that has the lock in it and can be opened on two sides. So let's walk through the process. Open this box. This is a 2-axis door. The installation is supposed to be pretty simple. I have one screwdriver that I need. That's it. I think that's all I need. Keys in there, 2 keys, and these are the instructions. Supposed to be pretty simple. I can unscrew this and screw this one. Two keys in there, I believe. Okay, 4 sets of keys. So I think 2 for each door. So that is good. Like that side. I'm gonna put it this back. Now from here, look at this. This is how it opens. That's not for this one. That's how the inside looks. For this, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that I can just mount it on top of this one. Okay. So on the back, there is a mailbox door there too. You can take out the whole thing right from here. You can take out the mail from here or the front. Okay guys, let's unscrew this one, the top one, and then we'll unscrew this one. Okay. Now I need to just put this one back on top of it, and it should fit. And I need to just align the screws. Just 2 screws are aligned here. Yep. This is pretty simple, guys. So I'm going to just need the screwdriver. And now look at your new mailbox. And you got the new mailbox right here with the keys in there. Right? You got the mailbox with the keys in there. And now if homeowners, if you have a lot of mails, you can just open it up from here and get all the mails, or you can do on the front also. Your mailman can drop the mail from here. You can open it from here. Alright guys, good luck with your installation. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up.